2023.2 introduces a couple of new features that will improve and streamline your work processes in Mint Desktop and our app. Starting off in the Desktop app, you can now select multiple qualifications or availability options to filter qualified and available resources to assign to an event. Previously, read-only properties were completely static. Now, you can interact with certain properties by clicking to open URLs or copying URL, date, date time, period time, tree, resource, and request type properties. When working with a project with dozens of resources, it can be difficult to find the needed assigned resources. Now, you can filter these resources by slot group type, providing a streamlined view of the resource pane. For more information about these exciting new features, visit your Mint manual.